We totally underestimate the power of rest. Rest, just being still, just taking a moment to stop the hurriedness and the busyness and the gotta get it doneness of our day-to-day lives. Rest, take a pause, sit back, breathe, however you want to approach it, but just take one gentle, easy moment to appreciate what's right in front of you and stop the busyness and hurriedness of that life that's going at breakneck speed. You're not a machine. Your pace doesn't have to be driven by technology. Your pace is what your body needs, and your body needs rest.